Hi guys, hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Latoya. For those that are new, welcome, and for those that are already following me, thank you for sticking in. So today I'll be showing you, as you can see on the title, sage. Sage, a lot of people use sage for different reasons. So people use it to chase, I don't know, bad omen, but I use sage mostly for my skincare. So today I'll be showing you guys on how to make your sage oil. Sage is very good for cough. If you have your tonsils, take your leaf of sage and drink it as a tea. For memory, if you have your child that has a very low memory, I can't lie to you, my grandfather used to give us this. That's why I'm very smart. I'm joking. Yeah, but yes. So you use boiled sage and drink it. But today I'm not going to show you that. I'm just going to show you on how to make your sage oil at home. So you take some sage leaf, wash it, literally wash it very, very well because of the bacteria. Outside you can see these leaves having some white things. So wash it with warm water and make sure that you rinse it very well, because remember, this sage we are going to do is for the body or face. When you think of sage, you probably think of smudging and remove negative energy from your room. That's what a lot of people do when you warm. You put fire and then come chasing the bad omen. So you might even think of an herb for soup or stew. I bet you didn't think of sage as a solution for acne and eczema. So sage has been proven to be an astringent properties. Its main ingredient is oxalic acid, which exfoliates deep cleansing the skin to prevent bacterial growth. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it ideal for treating wounds and calming acne and eczema. So this is why you'll see sage as the main ingredient in some creams that you buy or athlete's food like oils. So you can, most of the products contain sage, mostly the eczema products. So you wash your sage very well, and then clean up, wipe up the water. Anyways, you don't need to clean up the water, because this sage, what we are doing, we're not gonna dry the sage leaves. There are different methods of making sage oil. You can make cold process or hot process. Cold process is where you take your leaves the way we did from the tree, from the plant, and then you wash it and then you put it in the sun to get dry, and then you infuse it in the bottle with your favorite oil. Stay there for 1 month, 6 months, or yay. That's cold process, and the benefit is very good because you are taking all the benefits from the plant. Hot process is when you just take your leaves the way we did, and then you put it in the stove with oils, and then you boil it, and then you use it immediately. So that's hot process. So in our case, I'm doing cold process, but it's not gonna stay for a year or so. It's just for 24 hours because my sage contains water. I didn't dry the sage leaves, so I just use it immediately, and then I pound the sage leaves the way you guys saw, and then add your jojoba oil. You can add jojoba oil, rosehip oil, olive oil, or coconut oil. The reason I use the jojoba oil, because I have a very oily skin, and jojoba oil is a very light oil, so it's very good, a good moisturizing oil for the skin. You can as well use coconut oil if you don't have jojoba oil. So after stirring it very well, we keep it in a dark place for 24 hours. Now, if you are doing the cold process where you dry the leaves, you can also put it in a dark place for 24 hours or 6 months or a month. Then you can use. Guys, sage has antibacterial properties which work very well to kill odor causing bacteria under your armpits. If you are those type of people that you smell very bad under your arms, take sage, make it as a mask, and you apply, leave it there and for some minutes, and then you wash it off. Do this every day, and then your problem will be solved. So after the sage stay in the cupboard for 24 hours, I remove it. Then you strain out the oil, because I want to use this immediately. I have a ringworms under my on my arms, which I want to fix and remove. Normally I take the sage and make it a paste and apply on the ringworms. If you have a child with ringworms on the head, take sage or potato leaves. Guys, potato leaves works magic. It's actually a magic for and sage is perfect for sealing moisture into dry areas, like for eczema, psoriasis, and also for preventing acne causing bacteria. So after that, I add my vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. If you want your sage like the way we did with sage oil, with water. The way we pound it, if you want it to last a bit longer, you must add that like an antioxidant, vitamin E, and the preservative. Preservative is the one that's gonna make your sage to last at least for 3 to 6 months. Look for the natural organic preservatives out there, like potassium sorbate, and there's a lot of preservatives out there so that you can use. And after that, transfer it into a clean bottle and you can use it at least for 2 weeks. So that's how I use my sage oil, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.